this is my car, Datsun 510. As you can see, there's so many things done to the car. I don't know where to start. The suspension, HKS coilovers, the intake with velocity stacks inside, the strut brace, the titanium cover, heat shield for the master, the radiator. Everything's been custom made on this car. This has been custom made. I love making stuff. I think I'm crazy about making parts. So I try to make everything for this car that's cool, that's very functional. So the car as a unit works very well. So I made the radiator, made the intake, I made the catch can, and I use all the materials possible: titanium, aluminum, magnesium, stainless, to make this car a well-balanced unit. That's a Tomei 2.2 liter motor. Thank you, Tomei, that helped me out. Send it to Japan, got it built, and brought it back and put it in. It's got a lot of goodies that you can't see that are inside, and the car is, like I said, very well balanced. As a matter of fact, nobody even notices this. This is titanium. That's another heat shield to protect the valve cover from the heat of the turbo, just like the HKS cover that I put on that. Down there you see the horns are from JDM 350Z. So the horn sound is very Japanese, not like US horns. Japanese, I like it better, so it's really cool. If you see anything else on the other car, you see that the front end has projector beams. They're HID projector beams, and the next ones will have the high beams included, and a very rare JDM 1968 grill. Very few in the United States. There's 5 grills that we know of in the United States of this grill. There's the intercooler behind the grill, and it all works very well as a unit to form, right now 300 horsepower to the wheels. And when we upgrade the turbo, there's going to be a lot more of that to come. We'll probably get a lot of wheel spin, but it's just to claim that we can have more horsepower. The hood is a carbon fiber on the top, and the bottom is a fiberglass cover. The catch can, you can see here, is a Grady piece, and we take it apart and we anodize it, and then I add all the pieces here so it could breathe. Even Grady was amazed. They didn't know where that came from, but I made it. And in a nutshell, that's pretty much everything about the car. Most people have never even noticed Brembos on these old cars, and I decided that I have so many problems with braking problems that I made this Brembo kit for the 510. People drive around and the first thing they point out is the red Brembo calipers. We have 13-inch rotors on custom hats with the Brembo calipers and good Brembo race pads. This car stops on a dime. It stops so good, sometimes the blood from the back of your face goes to the front, because it's really good. 510s had really bad braking problems. Therefore, we developed this kit. These are 18-inch rims, which most people aren't familiar with such big rims on a 510, but perfect, so we could fill the area with the big brake kit. In the back, if you follow me back here, this is also my favorite kit. This is the rear. We came with drums. Notorious for locking up, seizing, or just not having good braking at all. So I developed this kit. This one right now is from R34 Skyline, the JDM 2-piston caliper, and it comes with a 12-inch rotor. In a few weeks, we'll have one with 13-inch rotors, 2-piston caliper, and the parking brake caliper, so you can have parking brake caliper. Also 18/8 in the back that fit. There's a lot of clearance here, so maybe eventually we'll go 18/8.5 and just completely fill the rear fender well. But great to drive, and it stops great. Thank you very much.
I taste the earth in the air tonight and watch it rise like a whirlwind into your eyes. I fly like a hurricane, runs away
standing